Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check remaining memory on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who wants to know about your memory and your memory usage and remaining memory that kept on your cell phone, don't need to be worried guys, because you can check the memory usage and the remaining memory on your phone easily. And how to do that is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down again and go to storage. And on this storage menu, you can use the memory usage for apps, for video, image. You can check the memory consumed what for, and also you can check the remaining storage. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much.